Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the clothes sets on your Pokemon Go. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open the Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed, so all you have to do is just wait. And as it loads, you are in this home page as I am. So just stay at this home page and look at the left bottom corner for your profile picture. And as you see it, just click it at first. And as you do that, go in the option style and click it. And as you open the style page, you can see the sets option right here. So just click that to open the sets page. And guys, as you click it, you can see the list of clothes sets you can get for yourself. So some are free and also some are the one you have to buy using the Pokecoins. So guys, that's how you get the clothes sets on your Pokemon Go account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.